5 Bosch routers, 5 different jobs, and 1 clear winner. Stay to the end because the top 2 are closer than they first appear. At number 5 is the compact palm router. That does not make it a bad tool, it simply has the narrowest role here because it's built for trimming, edge work, and lighter cuts. Its biggest advantage is control. At 4.25 pounds, it's easier to guide with one hand than the larger models. The LED lights help around the bit, the spindle lock simplifies bit changes, and the included edge guard supports clean, repeatable passes. But there is a clear limit. It accepts only 1/4-inch bits, has the lowest power in the group, and does not include a plunge base. For deep cuts, large bits, or heavy material removal, the full-size routers are better suited. Choose this one for laminate trimming, rounded edges, small grooves, and detail work. For a more capable plunge router with better dust control, the next model steps things up. Links to every router in this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. At number 4 is the dedicated plunge router. It has more muscle than the palm model and is designed for cuts that begin inside the workpiece, including mortises, grooves, and recesses. What stands out is the practical equipment. You get a parallel guide, roller guide, and dust hood, while the handle-mounted speed control lets you adjust speed without changing your grip. The 8-position depth stop also helps with repeated passes. The main restriction is the 1/4-inch collet. That limits bit choice compared with the 3 larger routers, which can use 1/2-inch bits. It also has no fixed base or carrying case, and its 2-inch plunge depth is useful but not class-leading. This is a sensible choice for anyone wanting a lighter plunge router with useful guides and better dust handling. For more power, larger bits, and stronger router table potential, the next option is more flexible. And if this comparison is helping, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. At number 3 is the fixed base workhorse. This is where the group moves into serious full-size routing with enough power for larger cutters and demanding material removal. The 12-amp motor, broad speed range, soft start, and constant speed control make it more capable than the 2 lower-ranked models. It accepts both 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch bits, and the above-table height adjustment is valuable for router table use. But the fixed base is also why it stops at number 3. There is no plunge base, case, LED lighting, or built-in dust collection. Bit changes require 2 wrenches. Compared with the 2 kits above it, you get strong core performance but less versatility. This model suits a workshop where the router will stay in a table or handle fixed depth cuts and edge profiles. For the same motor with both base styles, the next kit is the better all-around package. At number 2 is the most balanced kit in the ranking. It takes the strong motor from the previous model and adds the plunge base and carrying case that many users will eventually need. In practice, it can move from edge profiling to plunge cuts and then into a router table without requiring a second machine. The low 8,000 RPM setting suits larger bits, while soft start and constant speed control make the power easier to manage. Still, it's not the most advanced package here. There are no LED lights or built-in dust collection, and bit changes still use 2 wrenches. Its plunge depth is also shallower than the top-ranked model. For most woodworkers, this is probably the safest all-around choice. It has enough power for demanding work without becoming as heavy as the winner, but for maximum power, deeper travel, and better controls, number 1 goes further. At number 1 is the strongest and most feature-rich router in the group. It earns the top spot with the highest motor output, deepest plunge travel, and most convenient controls. The handle-mounted trigger means you don't have to release your grip to switch the tool on or off, and the LED lights improve visibility around the cut. The 3-inch plunge depth gives it more range than every other model here. It also supports above-table adjustment and quick base changes. The trade-off is weight. At 12.6 pounds, it's the heaviest router in the ranking, which matters during long handheld sessions. It also lacks built-in dust collection, and an edge guide is not included. For small trimming jobs, the palm router is easier to handle. Choose this one when power, plunge range, and control matter more than portability. It's best suited to demanding workshop use, larger bits, deeper cuts, and users who want one full-size kit with fewer compromises. Check the top-ranked routers through the links in the description below the video. And if this review helped, like the video and subscribe to the channel.